Hi everybody, today I want to tell a golden tip about a screener. Here, suppose we want if our kilos, okay, kilos of candle, if is higher than previous candle, so we write in our table up if kilos of candle is lower than low of this, we write low, we write done, otherwise we write normal. Okay, this is this I add here a frame color dot orange, add width, frame width 1. Okay, so how we can write it for example another time frame too and show it here. Okay, border color dot green, border width, yeah, I just add here border border, yeah, width 2. Okay, as you see here. Okay, so for current is normal. So for example last one I want for example for 1 hour. So here I write I want to make it dynamic, so I use input that time frame, default is 60 minutes. Okay, so here in setting we have a time frame input. So no is normal. Why normal? Because kilos is less than previous high and higher than previous low. If kilos is higher than previous low, so it will be up here. If kilos is lower than previous low, it's done. As you see, no is done because it's lower than previous low, as you see. So how we can write it, analyze it, for example for 1 hour. First way that I do this, I was doing this for 3 years, that I write for example here for example here I write my kilos and my high one and my low one, request that security current symbol and time frame is TF1, and here kilos, previous high, previous low. Okay, so then for example I can here write for example if kilos, if my kilos is higher than my high, so for example my string for TF1 can be up, and same for something like this for done. But this solution is not perfect, especially when we have a complex indicator. Okay, suppose we wrote hundreds of code to, for example, calculate something. I show it to you. So again for new one, for example showing it on 1 hour time frame, we use recalculate it again and write 100 codes more. So there is a very easier instead of writing it manually, yeah, request that security can get OCHL. OCHL is open, close, high, low, and volume and time and bar index, but also it can get output of your indicator or a strategy, output of your indicator, output of your output of your function or variables. For example, here I have my string variable. Output is here normal. For example, no is up because this is higher than this. So we get this, and it will automatically calculate and give us result for our custom time frame. For example, 1 hour time frame. Okay, our custom time frame, our another time frame, not chart time frame. We have chart time frame, so we can use this to get to see result for example 1 hour time frame. How? Let's I show you here. Here we can easily write my string. Let's I delete this. Yeah, my string for TF1, and here I write easily. I write my string is complete. No, I copy this, go here, I write TF1, and here I write my string for TF1. I save it. Oh, I should write this. Go to next row. Yeah. Okay. As you see here, it say in 1 hour is now normal. Let's check. Let's be going 1 hour. Yeah, it's normal as you see. I change time frame. I change time frame to daily to check it in daily. In daily is still normal. Let's check. No, in daily it's up. Yeah, just up a little. We have delay. We should wait. Okay. In daily it's up. Let's check in weekly. In weekly is normal. We go to see in weekly. Yeah, it's normal. Let's change. Yes, I'm here. In weekly is done. For example, let's change it to 1 hour again. In 1 hour it's normal. Let's check. Yeah, it's normal at this moment. At this moment, low close is not lower than previous low. It's normal. What about 4 hour? In 4 hour it's normal. Okay, so it's work. So instead of I write all of this, I just get output of my variable, and I put it inside request as security. Okay, so it works for us. Okay, I understand this after 3 years. After 3 years working on Pine script, I understand this.